everybody, Josh and Miana here from Japan Drink Lab, and today we are going to talk about how to make a green tea and blueberry smoothie. This is one of Miana's favorite drinks. She got the whole family hooked on smoothies, and specifically the green tea smoothies that give you a little bit of extra boost, a little energy in the morning. They're super healthy. Not too much green tea for you because there is caffeine in it.
Yeah. But this is the oat milk that we usually use, but we're going to be using the coconut milk. First we add 1 cup of frozen blueberries. Next we have the coconut milk. Then we add ice cubes. Last we add the matcha green tea powder.
Wow, this looks really good. Cheers. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This is a really good breakfast smoothie. If you'd like to add a little bit of sugar, you can always add a little bit of honey or maybe some simple syrup. A tablespoon of honey might be nice too, but it does have some natural sweetness from the berry. Okay, have a great morning with this. So you have to like wave and be fun, not funny, but cheerful, happy.